Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is area of triangle. We know area of triangle is half base into height. But whenever area in triangles three vertices are given, you should be find area by this formula. Its formula is area of triangle ABC is equal to half. You have to write modulo and write x1, difference y2 minus y3, then x2, y3 minus y1, x3, y1 minus y2. How you can remember this formula easily? Here you have to write here half and modulo. Why we write modulo? Because if this simplification is negative, then if you remove this modulo, negative become positive. Why? Because area never be negative. That's why we take here modulo. Now remember this sequence 1, 2, 3. So here x1, so here y2, y3. Then 2 to 3, 1. 3 to 1, 2. Here is x and here is y coordinate difference. Now let us consider two examples based on this area's formula. Here in first question, if A of 3, 5, B of 2, minus 1 and C of minus 5, 6 vertices are given and you want to find area of triangle ABC. So how you can find its area? So here A of x1, y1 is equal to A of 3, 5. B of x2, y2 is equal to B of 2, minus 1 and C of x3, y3 is equal to C of minus 5, 6. Then put all values in this formula. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half. You should be right here x1. So value of x1 is what? Value of x1 is 3. Then y2 is minus 1 and y3 is 6. Then you have to write x2 value. x2 value is 2. In bracket y3 minus y1. So your y3 is 6 minus y1 is 5. Then x3. What is the value of x3? x3 value is minus 5. And y1 minus y2. So y1 value is 5 minus y2 value is minus 1. Now simplify. Half 3. This is minus 7 plus 2. This is plus 1. Plus minus minus 5 and this is 5 plus 1. So this is half. 3 7s are 21 plus minus minus. Plus 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 2 1s are 2. Then this is 5 plus 1 6. 6 5s are 30 and plus minus minus. Now simplify. So area of triangle ABC is equal to what? Half as it is. Now minus 21 plus 2 is become minus 19 and this minus 30 as it is. Now simplify this. Minus minus plus, so this become 49 and biggest digit sign minus. Now remove this absolute sign, so it become 49 by 2. If you want to convert it into a decimal fraction, then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 1 is left 10. So 2 5s are 10. So this is your answer of area of triangle ABC whenever its vertices values are given. Now in this second question. In second questions area is given as well as its vertices are given. But in vertices one value of vertices are variable. You want to find its value. So find if the area of triangle is 5 and its vertices are this. So here you should be right for solution of 2. Here let P of x1 y1 is equal to P of 2 3. Q of x2 y2 is equal to Q of 4 5. R of x3 y3 is equal to, you write R of A3. R of A3. One more thing is given in this question, its area. So you should be right area of triangle PQR is equal to 5. And what you want to find in this question? You want to find value of A. So A is equal to question mark. Now write area of triangle PQR is equal to half. Absolute, put first of all you should be write its formula. x1 by 2 minus y3. x2 by 3 minus y1. Then x3 by 1 minus y2. Now put its value. So its area's values is 5. So you should be right here 5. Half as it is. What is the value of x1? x1 is 2. So 2 in bracket y2 is 5 minus y3 is 3. Then x2 value is 4. x2 value is 4. Then y3 minus y1. y3 is 3 and y1 is also 3. Then x3 value is A. And y1 minus y2. So your y1 is 3 and your y2 is 5. After this you have to simplify and find out value of A. So 5 multiply here with 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 because it is division. Shift here it become a product. Is equal to 2 times absolute right as it is. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 and here is A. So right here minus 2. Now 5 2s are 10 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 zeros are 0 and plus minus minus 2. Now if you remove this absolute sign, its value is plus or minus because plus absolute is also plus and minus absolute is also plus. So you can write 4 minus 2a is equal to 10 or 4 minus 2a is equal to minus 10. Now you want to find value of this, shift this. So minus 2a is equal to 10 minus 4. Minus 2a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 upon minus 2. That means minus 3. Same way minus 2a is equal to minus 10 and shift this. So minus 4. So minus 2a is equal to minus 14. Shift this minus 2. So a is equal to minus 14 upon minus 2. So 2 sevens are 14 and minus minus plus. So this is the numerical value of given unknown variable A. If your vertices are a collinear, then its area becomes 0 because whenever your vertices are collinear lies in one line, it cannot become a triangle. That's why its area is 0. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.